Hey everyone, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy. Today's tip of the day, I will be discussing one more common assistive device that a lot of people use. And this one it's one of the most common assistive device that I see people use. It's very functional, it's very convenient, and also it allows them to do one thing that a lot of these assistive devices has the most common limitation that these assistive devices cause is you are not able to use your hands freely. One very important example there or scenario there is if you are going to be carrying groceries, which a lot of people, here in New York, we are we're very independent and we rely on ourselves to be able to do our daily activities. That includes having to buy groceries for ourselves or sometimes having to buy a few things outside and bring home. So this assistive device solves the problem of, let's say, when you're using your cane, then you cannot, it's harder to carry groceries when you're holding a cane. With crutches especially, forget about it. Both your hands, if you're using bilateral crutches, both your hands are occupied, so you won't be able to use your hands freely. So what I'm referring to is what I see a lot of seniors use is the rolling walker. So I have an example of one here. All right, so this is something that a lot of people in our community, we have a lot of seniors in community, they love using this one. Now, I see a lot of people use this incorrectly. Actually, I have a patient right now, we're training on how to use this. I want to tell you how to properly fit a rolling walker and how to use it properly. All right, so first is, how do we fit the rolling walker? Most of the time, I would say the rolling walker will have adjustments. So you can adjust the height of where the handles are. Some of them you can adjust the height of the legs or the length of the legs. Most of them do have adjustment only on the handles. In this particular unit, as you can see here, there is not sure if you can see this. I'm gonna try to lift this up here. You can see there's this round the I think pentagon thing here, right? There's this screw, and then you'll be able to just turn it and you'll be able to adjust the height already. Okay, it has it on both sides. Now, how high should it be? Similar to when you're fitting a cane, or similar to when you're fitting a crutch. When you're standing close to it like this, it should be around the height of your wrist. So in this case, this is almost the proper height for me. So this will suffice because it gives me a 15-degree angle on the elbow when I'm gonna use it. Okay, so now the other one is, how do you use it properly? I see a lot of people use it like this. They're leaning forward and the rolling walker is way ahead of them, and I see them doing this. All right, so we could go back. I see a lot of people, they do this, and that's not a very safe way to use your rolling walker. Why is that? Because if, let's say, because there's 4 wheels there, so it doesn't stop. It's not like the walkers that have rubber stoppers. There's friction that causes them to stop. This one has 4 wheels. It can easily slide forward. Let's say you're going downhill, or you slip, or you trip on something, then your rolling walker goes straight there, and then you're gonna fall down. Yes, you have the brakes here, but what if sometimes we are not, like, if the grip is not strong enough, or you didn't get even the chance to grip, and let's say you didn't expect the rolling walker to go ahead of you, you won't have enough time to react and grip the brakes. So then you're gonna end up falling down. So the proper way to do this is you have to still be standing straight. You have to be close, so as close to the center as possible. Now, some rolling walkers do not have chairs or do not have seats like this. This one is nice because it has a compartment here where you can put a lot of groceries, and that's the beauty of rolling walkers, is they usually have that compartment, either a bag or something that they can hang on the handles, and in this case it's under the seat. You can put stuff there, groceries and other items that they can bring home, and they can even put it on top here if it's something that's stable, and they can just hang the bags on the handles also. But you have to be as close as possible. If you have something like this in the middle, then you have to be around here. You have to be in line with your handles. And when you're walking, so you have to be walking like this. So you're close to it. So when you take a step, you just have a small clearance between your knee and the edge of the seat here. So this is how you're gonna be walking with this. All right. You're still upright. You're not leaning forward. You're not hurting your back, and you don't have that chance. You lessen the chance that you're gonna accidentally fall on your face or fall forward, because the rolling walker is gonna go ahead of you. Now, if you don't have this, and let's say that's a traditional, like a more conventional walker that has 4 wheels, you have to be in the middle here, not too close to the front that you can actually tip forward, but you have to be in the middle where the handles are. You have to be in between that. Okay, so that's the safest way to use your rolling walker. This one, aside from being able to put groceries in there, one other thing that's beautiful with this one is when you get tired, don't forget, put your brakes on, not grip it and then sit, because then when you let go, the brakes come off. You lock the brakes, kind of like in a car, you have those parking brakes, and then you can actually sit. And then when you sit, you have to be in the middle, then you can sit. And then getting up, same thing. You can even push on the handles, you can get up, and then you turn, then you unlock the brakes. So this is really a very functional, a very versatile piece of assistive device. The only limitation that this has is when you're going to climb up and down steps. Other than that, it definitely has its use, and a lot of that, and I can see why a lot of people use it. But make sure you use it safely, use it properly. You fit it properly and you use it properly. All right. I hope you like this video. You know, anybody, if you're using this, or you know anybody who's using it, please share this video with them so that they can be safe and they'll learn, they'll know how to use it properly. All right. I want to thank you so much for spending the time to watch this video. Remember, I need you to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video so you can help transform other people's lives. And let me know what things you want me to talk about, because I want to help you get healthy and pain-free. And if you are depending on, you know, a walker, you're having problem walking, or you want to learn more about this, feel free to reach out to us. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.